Alright, welcome to the Carnation channel again for another week of car tuning with Carnation Boss. Alright, so we have a problem in Jamaica where our headlights get all messed up through the sun, the salt in the air, and the dew at night, corrosion. Right? So we're going to show you how to clean these headlights and make them look like brand new out of the factory. Now, these are not that bad as yet, so I don't need to bring out the big machine. But I'm going to show you how to do it at home with simple things that you can get at your local hardware, your local paint shop, or just a haberdashery store. Alright? So, we need sandpaper. This is 2,500 grain and 2,000 grain. Right? They are very fine. They almost feel smoothish. Right? We need a polish applicator. Yeah. To apply our polish. Right? We need our compound. Right, a rubber compound. This is gonna do a whole heap of work, right, and shining. That's what we're gonna use the applicator for. And we also need our lens protector. This is what will protect the lens from further damage from the UV rays of the sun. Alright? So we're gonna need a bucket of water. You don't have to fill it. Put a little liquid soap in it. And you're going to need a chamois, because what we're going to do to the headlights, we're going to wet sand them. We're going to start off with the 2,000 grain, and then after we finish with the 2,000 grain, we're going to use the 2,005 grain and wet sand them. They're going to get murky. All that corrosion will come off, and then we move to the other stage. So stay tuned. So remember, this is before, right? And stay tuned. You will see after in just a moment. Alright?